To remove your Binance account, follow these steps carefully. Access your Binance account via the website or mobile app. Click on your profile icon on the top right corner, then select Profile or Account. Navigate to the Security section, and here you'll find options related to account management. Look for the option to deactivate or delete your account. This may be labeled as Close Account or Deactivate. Click on the Delete option and follow the on-screen prompts, and Binance may ask you to verify your identity through two-factor authentication or email confirmation. Review the consequences of account deletion, such as a loss of access to your assets. If you're sure, confirm your decision. If you encounter issues, reach out to Binance support for assistance. And remember, deleting your account is irreversible, so ensure you've withdrawn any remaining funds before proceeding. I hope this tutorial helped, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.